In this video, I will help you find the best travel camera in 2023. Links to all the products we mentioned in this video will be listed in the description. Let's get started. Number 5. OM System OM5, best for most people. In my opinion, the OM System OM5 is the best travel camera for most people. This compact and weatherproof camera offers a range of features that make it perfect for capturing your adventures on the go. One of the standout features of the OM5 is its compatibility with a wide range of lenses, allowing you to customize your photography experience to suit your needs. Whether you're capturing landscapes, portraits, or action shots, this camera has you covered. Not only is the OM5 versatile in terms of lens options, but it also delivers high-quality images thanks to its advanced image sensor. You can expect stunning image quality with vibrant colors and sharp details. Additionally, the weatherproof design ensures that you can take this camera with you anywhere without worrying about damage or rain or dust. The OM5 is also incredibly user-friendly with intuitive controls and a user-friendly interface. It's easy to navigate through the camera settings and make adjustments on the fly. This makes it a great choice for both beginners and experienced photographers alike. Furthermore, the compact size and portability of the OM5 make it ideal for travel. It won't weigh you down or take up too much space in your bag, allowing you to capture amazing shots without the hassle. Number 4. Panasonic Lumix ZS200, best value travel camera. For a great value travel camera, look no further than the Panasonic Lumix ZS200. This compact camera packs a punch with its large 1-inch sensor and 15 times optical zoom, making it a versatile option for capturing stunning images during your adventures. The sensor allows for excellent image quality even in low light conditions, while the zoom range provides the flexibility to capture everything from wide-angle landscapes to distant subjects. One of the standout features of the Lumix ZS200 is its compact size, making it easy to carry around while you're on the go. Its lightweight design and portable form factor make it a perfect companion for travel photography. Additionally, the camera's weatherproof construction ensures durability in various conditions, giving you peace of mind when shooting in challenging environments. The Lumix ZS200 also offers a user-friendly interface with intuitive controls, making it suitable for photographers of all skill levels. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced photographer, you'll find the camera easy to navigate and operate. Number 3. Nikon ZFC, best-looking travel camera. When traveling, I always appreciate a camera that not only captures stunning images but also looks stylish, and the Nikon ZFC does just that. With its retro-inspired design, this camera stands out from the crowd and adds a touch of nostalgia to your travel photography. The Nikon ZFC features a compact and lightweight body that's perfect for on-the-go shooting. Its vintage aesthetic is complemented by modern features such as a tilting touchscreen and a high-resolution electronic viewfinder, allowing you to compose your shots with ease. But the Nikon ZFC isn't just about looks. It also delivers top-notch image quality thanks to its 20.9 megapixel APS-C sensor and X-Speed 6 image processor. This combination ensures exceptional detail and clarity in your photos, even in challenging lighting conditions. The camera also offers a wide ISO range, allowing you to capture stunning shots in low-light environments without sacrificing image quality. In addition to its impressive image quality, the Nikon ZFC offers a range of features that make it a versatile tool for travel photography. It has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to easily transfer and share your images on the go. The camera also supports 4K UHD video recording, so you can capture your travel memories in stunning detail. Number 2. GoPro Hero 11 Black, best action camera for travel. Continuing the exploration of travel cameras, let's now delve into the GoPro Hero 11 Black, which stands out as the best action camera for capturing thrilling travel moments. When it comes to adventure and action-packed trips, this compact and powerful camera is the perfect companion. With its enhanced framing flexibility, the Hero 11 Black allows you to capture all the action from unique and dynamic angles. One of the standout features of the GoPro Hero 11 Black is its impressive video capabilities. It can shoot stunning 4K videos at 60 frames per second, ensuring that every detail of your adventure is captured in high definition. Additionally, the camera offers advanced stabilization technology, allowing you to record smooth and steady footage even in the most challenging environments. The Hero 11 Black is also equipped with a range of features that make it perfect for travel. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to carry around, while its rugged construction ensures durability in various conditions. Whether you're hiking through rugged terrain or diving into the depths of the ocean, this camera can handle it all. Furthermore, the Hero 11 Black boasts an intuitive user interface, making it easy to navigate through its settings and capture the perfect shot. Its touchscreen display provides a user-friendly experience, allowing you to easily adjust settings, preview footage, and play back videos. Number 1. Olympus TUF TG6, Best TUF Travel Camera. The Olympus TUF TG6 stands out as the ideal rugged travel camera for capturing adventures in challenging environments. As someone who loves to explore the great outdoors, I understand the importance of having a camera that can withstand the elements and still deliver high-quality images. The TG6 is built to be tough, with a waterproof, dustproof, shockproof, crushproof, and freeze-proof design. It can handle being submerged up to 50 feet underwater, dropped from heights of up to 7 feet, and withstand temperatures as low as 14 degrees Fahrenheit. But durability isn't the only impressive feature of the TG6. It also boasts a 12-megapixel sensor, a fast f2.0 lens, and advanced imaging technology that produces sharp and vibrant images. Whether you're capturing stunning landscapes or fast-paced action shots, this camera delivers exceptional image quality. One of the standout features of the TG6 is its macro capabilities. It has a microscope mode that allows you to capture incredible detail close-up shots, even in challenging lighting conditions. This is perfect for capturing the intricate beauty of nature or getting up close and personal with small subjects. The TG6 also offers a range of shooting modes and features that enhance your creativity. It has built-in GPS, compass, and temperature sensors, which allow you to track and document your adventures. Additionally, it has a variety of underwater shooting modes, including underwater wide and macro, to help you capture the vibrant colors and unique marine life beneath the surface. And with that being said, we reached the bottom of this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Peace out.